Kaya nga, imagine. Grabe yung dagundong ng SM Mall Arena. Pero ito, dadagundong ulit ang SM Mall of Asia Arena for our next player!
Wearing jersey number 17, he is ready to take it to another level from Team 33.
Wala siyang kailangang gawin, okay? Maglalakad lang siya, titili tayong lahat!
Swag lang. Okay na. Pero siyempre, it's time to bring the house down here inside the Mall of Asia Arena for Team Sparkle.
Wearing jersey number 14, the Terror carries the showdown from Team Sparkle, the Sun.
Grabe namang entrance yun. Pero ito, kanina di ba meron kayong player, ang lalim ng dimples.
Sino?
Paglaban din naman sa dimplesan. Sino ba yung next player natin?
Wearing jersey number 6, this family actor is ready to dominate the Grand Prix from Team 44, Jason.
Wala nang mas nalalim pa sa dimples ni Jason Ray.
Walang tatapat dyan. Shubson in the building. Pero, kailangan ba natin siyempre yung star power?
Star power.
Star power. Sige, tawagin natin yung next member ng Team Sparkle.
Wearing jersey number 13, the showbiz royalty is ready to rule the court from Team Sparkle, Mebby Lecaspi.
You'll see it later on the court, Maggie Legaspi.
Wow! Narinig ko kanina eh.
Si Will Ashley lang hindi.
Nung in-introduce siya, showbiz royalty lang.
Pero the rest na
Showbiz royalty lang din ang pinag-uusapan.
Ilan bang artist ka dami?
Wearing jersey number 1, is struggling to hold the hammer from Team 34, Richard Gutierrez.
Ito, hands down. At ng generation na nandito sa Mo Arena. Diba?
All generations, lahat tayo, talagang tumitili for Richard Gutierrez!
Pero siyempre, as usual, meron din kaming pantapat. Na
sino?
generations din ang titulo.
Wow!
Sige, let's introduce the next member.
Wearing jersey number 24, the solo heartthrob is here to captivate and dominate from Team Sparkle, Raver Cruz.
Ako ay magaling!
May power sa gilid, si River Cruz.
Parang lahat tayo na ba? Sana all. Sana all. Yes. Pero ito na, alam mo, mahusay sumayaw si Raver eh. Mahusay sumayaw. Pero, kung saraman lang din, may king of the dance floor kami!
Wearing jersey number 44, Agent X44, but the King of the dance floor is ready to from Team Third Floor, Von Navarro.
Oh, di ba?
Hindi na siya nagtanggal ng jersey, baka hindi daw kayanin.
Kayanin.
Mawari na. Oo.
Okay na daw yan. Okay na. Sige. But time to introduce the leaders of our teams today.
And now, it's time to meet the men who will lead their squad into battle. The team captains. Wearing jersey number 15, the gentleman captain of the arena is ready to take his team all the way to the top. From Team Sparkle, David Licacro. And joining him, Team Sparkle's Muse, the Boost of Beauty, AZ Martinez.
David Ligato and AZ Martinez as the Muse of Sparkle. The team captain of Team Sparkle is here. Wala na. Pambansang ginawa. Pero meron pa ang third floor.
Of course. Siyempre, meron din kami beloved captain. Siya mismo ang the third floor. So let's all welcome our beloved team captain.
Wearing jersey number 3, the captain is ready to fight his way to victory from Team Third Floor, Chad.
Indonesian spitting on beats and using similes, but their lyrics ain't got no meaning. If you see blue